What's up YouTube, Tag All Star here. So as you know, all Mustangs for the most part, they have terrible angles. So to get just a little bit more angle, I think it's about like 5 degrees. You can do this free mod. All you have to do is take the boot off of the steering rack right here. So you just take the clip in the back off, pull it back, and then you'll see that it has a limiter right there. Now on this car, that's a pretty big limiter. So all you do is end up removing this. I'm not sure if you need a grinder or something like that. It seems to be pretty thick, so I might not be able to get off today, but we'll see. But you eliminate that, and it should give you about 5 degrees more of steering angle, which is good for, you know, being a rookie or just for a stock setup. So this is a little plastic piece you have to cut out. I had to use these tools to get it out if it focus. I ended up having to use this tool right here to cut the end of it because the back piece is really thick. This little back ridge is very, very thick, so you're gonna need probably a grinder or something like that to get it loose, unless you have a really strong or really sharp knife, I should say. So now we're gonna do the other side and see how it looks. Moment of truth. This is kind of where it's at right now. So at full lock, if you actually hold the steering wheel all the way, this is how much angle we got right here. Definitely a significant difference. Like I said, probably about like 5 degrees extra, maybe 5, 10 degrees. Are you good, Kendrick? There's a little lock stops you just need to cut off. You can use a grinder or a knife if it's sharp enough, and you should be good. Yep, that's a quick, easy, free steering angle mod for the Mustang, any Mustang. All from like the new edges all the way to the current gen, you can do this mod on all the Mustangs pretty much. So yep, that's gonna do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this little quick tip, and I'll see y'all in the next one.